Lots of you have been asking me how to do a full stop motion video only using your phone. From the filming to the editing process. The wait is over. Today you will learn how to shoot, how to edit, how to export your stop motion videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anything you want. In this video I'm not going to go in depth about how to film stop motion. I made a video about that. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere. I recommend you watch it before you continue watching this video and then come back. The only thing you will need is your phone. And it can be iPhone, it can be Android, doesn't matter. And one app that you're going to use to shoot and edit the stop motion video. The one app you will need is Stop Motion Studio. This is the free version of the app. There's a pro version of it that you have to pay, I think, $4.99. I'm using the free app. Now, while the app loads, I highly recommend that you invest in a tripod. I have this. I think it was like $8 on Amazon, and you plunk this anywhere you want. You can wrap it around something. I'm gonna put the Amazon link down in the description if you're interested. I highly recommend it. If you don't want to buy this, there is always, I'm sure you can find a couple of these at your place. One here, one there. And if you have a pair of these headphones with a button for the volume, you'll definitely want to use them as a remote trigger. So you don't have to touch your phone and maybe move it each time you press it to take a photo. I have just tried this on iPhone. I don't know if on Android that will work too. You can leave a comment down below and let other people know. The app should be downloaded already, and let's get on with it. Let's start a new project. Press New Movie. Up right in the corner there's this icon to take the pictures. One of the very cool things this app allows us to do is that after taking a picture, like that, by moving down the slider on the left, it allows us to see a transparency of the picture we just took, so we can see what the next shot should be. Once you're done taking pictures, you just have to tap this arrow to the back, and all the pictures that you took will be right there. There's just this one picture that I don't want, so I'm just gonna select it here, I'm gonna tap it, and then I'm gonna press delete. If you want to review what you have, you press this play button and it will play all the pictures together. Now if I want to select how many pictures will fit in each second of the movie, I press this icon here and then I can change the frames per second. Less frames per second is going to be a slower movie. More frames per second will mean that more pictures will play in each second of the movie, so a faster paced movie. You can focus just by tapping on the screen where you want the camera to focus on, or you can click and you can actually just move sideways left and right if you want the focus closer to the camera or further away from the camera. Same goes with all the other options. For the white balance, we move to the left, cool, to the right, warmer colors. Then we have the brightness, same thing, left dark, to the right, bright. For the ISO, to the left, lower ISO, up, higher ISO. Now we have the shutter speed. To the left, higher shutter speed. To the right, lower shutter speed. That means that if we move, we have this motion blur. We're not gonna need that. So I would recommend keep it manual. Just select what you want, keep it there, and don't touch it, and it's not gonna change. What I'm going to shoot is this tripod that I showed you earlier on, and we're gonna make this walk a little bit. I'm just going to use the Gorilla Pod that I have to hold the phone in this case, because I'm going to be using this one to walk. Alright, I think we're good to go. Now what you can also do for this app, if you want to make a little stop motion for your Instagram stories, you can select this movie icon here, go down, and in the mask, you select this one that says portrait. Now I have my movie here. I'm going to click on it, then I can change the title, walking tripod. Press export movie, and then I'm going to press save video. And that is all. And you can post this video on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you want. And from now on, it's in your hands. I recommend you make as many movies as you can. Practice, practice, practice. And if you make a stop motion movie, Just write the link down below in the comments. I'll be glad to check it out. I can't wait to see what you all come up with. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.